The Moss Landing segment of the Monterey Bay Sanctuary Scenic Trail project now on hold indefinitely. The project's goal is to build a bike and a pedestrian path parallel to Highway 1 from Moss Landing Road to the northern Moss Landing Harbor. Now, it would also build a bridge to span the Elkhorn Slough. Construction, though, has been anticipated to begin early next year. However, during final review, crews recently found that the sheet pile wall seen here, which actually supports a section of Highway 1, has significantly deteriorated and is actually falling into the Elkhorn Slough. The Scenic Trail project is paused until the damaged wall can be removed and the ground there stabilized.